Hi guys, welcome back to Mogumachi. In today's video, I am going to make my own transportation card. So actually a few weeks ago, I actually just lost my transportation card, and it was actually very important for me because every day I use public transportation here in Jakarta. So through this opportunity, I want to make my own custom e-money. So I'll draw my own personal picture and then send it through the vendor to print it out for me. So let's get started. The story behind how I lost my transportation card was actually very sad. I just put 200,000 rupiah in it, and the next day when I want to use it to ride the MRT, the train, I just realized that it was gone. I think that I dropped it on my way to work. The funny thing is that I never top up more than 100,000 rupiah, but that day I kinda want to put more because I was too lazy to go to the ATM again just to top it up again every time. But the next day I lost it.
Why does it hurt so bad? So bad to lose something I never had.
So the idea behind this character is actually me because right now my hair is pink. It's not that pink like in this picture because the first time I dyed it, it was actually very pink. But this time it was already washed out already. But I really loved my pink hair, so I'll draw myself in the bright pink hair.
I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Imagination wild like a child. Head and heart can't reconcile. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song.
Now that the picture after it's done, I will send the picture to the vendor. And now we just need to wait. I hope the vendor can make my transportation card as soon as possible.
We were short, it's been long.
So it has been 2 days since I sent it to the vendor. They are actually replied very quickly. I tried this vendor in Tokopedia and they actually responded very quick. So, drumroll please. This is the result. Yay! I think you can see it in here that I added a blue line and a magenta line, and I added it in Photoshop before I send it to the print vendor. I think I really like the result of this because um, it was printed quite well and the color is actually very vibrant. So I hope that this video can inspire you to make your own custom creation and actually make everything that you have to be more personalized. I hope that you will be back with me in the future video. Bye.